Have you ever looked at a problem in your life and thought, there is no way I can beat this? That's exactly how an entire army felt when they faced a giant named Goliath. Goliath stood over 9 feet tall, a trained warrior covered in armor. Every day he mocked Israel and dared someone to fight him. And every day, fear won. Then David showed up. Not as a soldier, but as a shepherd, bringing food to his brothers. When David heard the giant's words, he was confused. Not because Goliath was big, but because everyone else was afraid. David had no armor, no battle experience, but he had something else memory. He remembered protecting his sheep from lions and bears. He remembered that God had been faithful before. When it was time to fight, the king tried to dress David in heavy armor. It didn't fit. David took it off. Instead, he picked up 5 smooth stones and walked toward the giant. Goliath laughed. But David didn't. With 1 stone and 1 step of faith, the giant fell. This story isn't about courage without fear. It's about trust in the middle of fear. You may feel small, outmatched, unprepared, but the giant in front of you doesn't get the final word. Sometimes the victory doesn't come from having more strength. It comes from remembering who's been faithful before. Whatever giant you're facing today, you're not facing it alone.